Kdenlive. It is free and open source video editor. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Google search box lo enter Kdenlive download. Enter key press kdenlive.org download. First link downloads click. Kdenlive official web page complete display downloads second option default set download the latest version 25.12.2 supporting OS Windows, Linux, Mac OS users also related option select present Windows setup first one Windows section lo first one button installable blue color button click download section lo Kdenlive iPhone latest version 25.12.2.exe executable file downloading process start. File size 122 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Kdenlive exe executable file display select mouse double click. Kdenlive.exe window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to Kdenlive setup window lo first button next click. Choose for which users you want to install Kdenlive. Related two options display. First one install for everyone using this computer. Install just for me. Single user. Second one select multi-purpose. Multi-users using for first option default left side circle tick mark set. Second button next click. Choose install location. Kdenlive installation destination folder default path display in box local disk C program files newly created folder Kdenlive. Second one space required 619.3 MB. In case change the another one drive browse button click. Default as it same set. Second button next click. Choose start menu folder. Default folder name Kdenlive. Second button install click. Installing. Please wait while Kdenlive is being installed. Application related files extracting process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Completing Kdenlive setup window lo finish button click. Desktop Windows search box lo enter Kdenlive. First option select Kdenlive window display. Video related editing horizontal desktop related first option select. Mobile related vertical second one select. Third one resolution box right side down arrow click and frame rate default 25 fps right side down arrow click 30 and high quality 60 medium 30 set and video tracks default 2 set down arrow click 1 and increase up arrow click 5 and audio tracks default 2 set right side start editing button click. Kdenlive interface window maximize file menu click new project insert new option select and reset ok click and open folder second option click sequences section mouse right click add clip or folders download folder lo second one video file select ok button click video select drag and drop timeline section lo increase mouse right click insert track delete track and full all tracks in view timeline increase and decrease select play icon click. In case cut this video top section lo second icon top section lo second one edit click libraries subtitles necessary left side box tick mark set subtitles right side top section lo editing related tools complete display and audio editing related tools and effects individually audio effects expand icon right click